Alright, today we're going to be talking about ledger lines on the bass clef. In case you've not seen the other videos that I did on how to read music on the bass clef, check the description below because this is going to be a continuation of those videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, if you remember on the previous videos, we came to a conclusion that the first line will be G, then from there we can write our alphabet all through, following the lines and the spaces. Alright, so take note, once we are giving names, we're still going to maintain using these alphabets. So once you get to G, you come back to A. Alright, so take note that the way we gave names to these lines and spaces on the bass clef was maintaining the line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space, line. So if we're going to go up as well, it's still the same principle. All you simply need to do is make sure you follow that principle of line, space, line, space. So since this fifth line is A, so the next we have will be a space. So we need to ask ourselves what is after A. So which is B, so which simply means this space should be B. So the same thing, from the space we're moving to the line. Ask yourself, after B, what do we have? Is C. So this line, this small first ledger line, will be C. Then after C, next we have is D. So this space will be D. Take note, we are moving line, space, line, space. Then after D, the next will be E. So this line will be E. Then after E, the next will be F. So take note, after this line, we're moving to this space. So it will be F. Then after F, the next we have is G. So from this space, we'll move directly to this one, which is going to be your G. And that's it. I also have a trick that you can use to locate ledger lines or read ledger lines faster. So if you want to see that on the next video, type that in the comments. Alright, if you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all. Alright, and make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.